Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify REST API contracts with Swagger in your mobile app. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify REST API contracts with Swagger in your mobile app, start by ensuring you have Swagger installed in your project. Begin by accessing your project's dependencies to include Swagger. You can usually do this through your package manager, such as npm or Gradle. Once Swagger is installed, locate your API definition file, often named swagger.json or swagger.yaml. This file contains the specifications for your API, detailing endpoints, request formats, and response structures. Next, navigate to the Swagger editor in your browser. Upload your API definition file into the Swagger editor. Review the generated documentation to ensure it accurately reflects your API's capabilities. After confirming the accuracy, generate client code using the Swagger Code Gen tool. Select the target language suitable for your mobile app, such as Java for Android or Swift for iOS. After generating the client code, integrate it into your mobile application. Utilize the client to make API requests and handle responses. Set up your testing framework to automate API contract testing. In your test cases, compare API responses against the expected structure defined in your Swagger file. To handle versioning, maintain an updated Swagger file as your API evolves. Regularly run your API contract tests to ensure ongoing compliance with the defined contracts. By following these steps, you can effectively verify REST API contracts in your mobile app using Swagger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.